What the fuck is going on with Bitcoin? Guys, I tell you, I see a reversal coming on the lower time frames. I was bearish on BTC, but during Asia, they pumped the price right through the 786 bearish on the 15-minute. And it looks like we're not there yet, I want to show you guys some things on the daily because I think we can reach high levels today. That's weird. Yesterday I was bearish, but that's how I do it in day trading. I do my top-down analysis. I study price action on the lower time frames, and I see a reversal coming. So be careful with short or going long. Sometimes it's better to just have patience and watch what's happened, right? But I think BTC can go skyrocketing today. We have a Fed event today, so be careful with trading. They can release some numbers that can have a very, very bad impact on the market. Last week, we saw that it had a positive impact on the market because the numbers that came out for unemployment claims were higher than forecast. So that was positive for Bitcoin. So just be careful, it's gambling. But based on TA, I want to show you guys something on the lower time frames because I see bullish signs developing now at the moment. So as that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and I did some homework here, and what you actually can see is that yesterday during New York time, somewhere after their lunch, they started dumping, as I predicted, right? But what actually happened this morning, Asia morning, they retraced the 786 on the 15 to pump it right through the 786 here. Usually what you see when you have bearish order flow is that you retrace this 786 to see more downside, but now they pushed it right through. So that's a bullish sign that there's a possibility that we will see more upside. But what should be our next target? Because BTC always has a target, right? And yesterday I thought that we retraced the 786 on the daily, but actually when you watch closely to the daily, then you can see that there's a way more space at the upside to retrace a new 786. And that's this one. If you zoom out and you see this daily, you can see that we're actually still very bullish, right? So this was a crucial level actually. This is the 618. If we lost this 618 this morning, but they pushed it on the lower time frames right through the 786 bearish on the 15, then there was a possibility that we retrace the 786, but now there's still a distance to go to this 786, 104.3k. So actually what I'm thinking for today is that we will see more upside for BTC. It's weird price action actually, because we went down, we created an eagle high to eventually go down now. So I'm a little bit confused. But what's my plan for today? My plan is for today is as this. I'm expecting BTC to come to this 618 to go skyrocketing. You see this eagle high, so a lot of stealth stops of people going short here. So there's a possibility that they push the price during New York time, 9:30 a.m. To this 618 as a liquidity sweep to eventually fly up to this 786. But we have to see bearish signs on the lower time frames once we are at this 786 to retrace it if we do not, there's a possibility that we will go skyrocketing today and tomorrow. So this is actually weird, you know. I'm flabbergasted actually, because you don't see this often, that they push the price right through the 786 here on the when you pull it bearish on this one, the highest swing low, to the top of this wick here. Then you can see that they pushed it right through it. So it's not really respected. Yeah, it's respected on the 1 hour. Let's clean the chart. Let's take a good closer look. So what you see is that when you pull a fib, right, you can see that they pushed it right through it to come for sell side liquidity here, to eventually come down now. But this means actually that they're creating bullish order flow again, from my opinion, from my experience. So what I'm thinking now during New York time is that they will retrace this 618, this one, or the 786 with a liquidity sweep during New York time in 3 hours, or let's say 5 hours, to eventually go skyrocketing to at least this 786. Because there's a lot of space. You can see that we retraced the 618 yesterday, bearish. So there's still crazy gains to the upside. 2%, that's 400%. But there's a lot of liquidity here, you know, and we're still in a bull market. So, you know, guys, a little more detailed TA on the lower time frame. I showed you guys that they pushed the price right through the 786 bearish. That means that you're bullish again. So what you actually want to see is you want to see this 786 or the 618 got retraced on the 15th during New York open, to eventually see this 786. So that's a nice trade actually. 600%, 700% on 200x. You know, if you want to trade on 200x, there's a possibility on MEXC. The link is in the description. But once you start trading on 200x, you have to realize that you only put in 5% of your total account maximum, and a tight stop loss. Especially when you know where price is going, you want to just put your stop loss underneath this wick. So you can only lose a maximum of, let's say, 170%. So that means if you put in $100, then that you will lose $170. But if you have $100, you need to have a minimum 2K account in your features, right? Like your total account. You know, so just be careful. But if you want to trade on 200x, there's a possibility. The link is in the description, you know. But yeah, I'm bullish on BTC again. If we retrace this 618 or the 786, sky's the limit. You know, we had to retrace this 786 to remain bearish. So, you know, guys, still bullish on BTC. Quick update. You know, that's how we can change from bull to bear and from bear to bull. That's why we trade on a daily basis. We do our top-down analysis, and this is our conclusion. So, guys, as that said, I wish you all a very nice day. You know, let's stay bullish, and don't forget we're in a bull market, so there's still a lot of potential price action to reach the coming period. So as that said, guys, I wish you all a very nice day. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.